Hello everybody, my name is Ellisa Cooper and this is a Cooking in Quarantine Extra. So I thought that while I am making my world famous stovetop beans, so we can't call them baked beans, that I would tap in here and let you guys take a peek into what I'm doing. So I got up earlier today and I fried up a bunch of bacon. I took the first batch of it and I pulled some of the bacon fat off, and the second batch of bacon fat is in my pan, and I am over here cooking up some onions. So I'm going to add to my big pot of onions. I'm just going to grate a fat old clove of garlic right into the pan. Here we go. We don't want that to sit there too long because, you know, garlic can burn really fast. So I'm going to give that a quick stir. And then I'm going to reach over here and I took a couple of cans, hello Thomas, of Goya small red beans. And I'm just going to toss those right in there with the onion and all of that. And give that a turn a little bit so that that delicious oniony fattiness gets all over my beans, right? So this is a stovetop, as I said, and there is just one great little thing that I think really makes the trick to this. But while that's here slowly cooking, I'm going to take you to the next steps. So I have just some ketchup, I have a little hot sauce, I have a little ketchup sriracha, and I'm about to put a little Trapeze Red Devil in here. There we go. Now, I'm also going to put a nice fat handful of Italian seasoning. There we go. Okay, nice fat handful of that. I'm going to put a nice little drizzle of Worcestershire sauce, which is nothing but pure, unadulterated flavor. I'm going to put just a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes right into that pan, because why not? And for a little flavor excitement, I've got some Hungarian hot paprika. I'm going to put a couple of things in there. And then I'm going to give this a little stir, stir, stir. And now, depending on how you feel about this, I would normally put a little mustard, not a great deal of mustard, but a little mustard, and a little sugar, a little brown sugar if you have it. I don't have any brown sugar because I haven't been baking lately. And just a little for kick, right? A little bit, a little bit. And then, let's see what we've got for taste going here. A little sugar would not be a bad thing. So let's give it a tiny bit of sugar. It'll help that caramelization in here, in this pan, come up. So just a little bit, maybe a teaspoon and a half. Back when I started making this years ago, I would have put like close to a quarter cup of brown sugar in here. And then I would have spent the rest of the day adding more hot sauce to it. So here we go. So I'm just going to put this all right here into this pot. And then I'm going to reach over here and I've got a little stock. And I'm going to throw a little stock in here and let that then cook down. And my trick then to this is that after you've cooked it all, after it's cooked down and you feel like that all of your aromas and flavors have come together and it's the right kind of consistency that you're looking for, then I'm going to ask you to chop up some of your bacon and put that in there. And then we're going to bring this little extra bit of bacon fat and drizzle that over it so that the sheen of all the bacon fat is all over the beans. Now, this is not a dish for the non-meat eater. It is absolutely not. I'm not sure what you would do to get that same kind of richness of flavor in here. So, but anyway, you know, this is a classic kind of Americana, burgers, dogs, a perfect kind of afternoon for the 4th of July. So that is my 4th of July baked beans kind of thing. Here's a renegade bean right here that I'm going to sample. They're delicious. So I will just let these sit here until it kind of, again, like I said, gets down to a kind of caramelly-like consistency in this pan. And that's that. That's so simple. And they're just beautiful. They're delicious. Perfect on top next to a juicy burger or something like that. I actually had a friend call me last night and said he was going to make turkey burgers. And I said, make them like you're going to make meatloaf. And cook down a little onion, garlic, and pepper first so that you can add that extra fat and moisture back into your meat before you cook it. I heard from him this morning. He said it was an absolute, changed his life. So I'm thrilled that that worked out, and I hope everything works out for you guys. And look around, because I said I'd be giving you some extras, and I'm going to start doing for the weekends something that'll drop at some magical time that I'm calling slow cooker Saturdays or slow cooker Sundays, depending on the weekend day that we decide to want to cook. So guys, I hope everybody has a great couple of hours coming up. It's probably time for everybody to make a drink and settle in and watch Hamilton. So thank you guys. Happy 4th, and I'll see you some other time. Ciao. Thanks for stopping by.